lived a lot of different lives, been different people many times. I live my life in bitterness and fill my heart with emptiness. Now I see it for the first time. There is no crime in being kind. Not everyone is out to screw you over. Maybe, yeah, just maybe they just wanna get to know you. Now the time is here. Baby, you don't have to live your life in fear. And the sky is clear, it's clear of fear. Don't wanna live in fear and loathing. I wanna feel like I am floating instead of constantly exploding in fear and loathing.
Am I thinking about you?
Got different people inside my head. I wonder which one.
So, Damon, tell me, what is it that I want?
You want love that consumes you. You want passion and adventure and even a little danger. I would have saved you in a heartbeat, no question.
Matt would be dead because you couldn't let go. Matt would be dead.
But you would.
And the sky is clear, it's clear of fear, of fear. Don't wanna live in fear and loathing. I wanna feel like I am floating instead of constantly exploding.